Gen Z's dad is 5 times as old as Gen Z, and Gen Z is twice as old as her sister Zaimi. In 2 years, the sum of their ages will be 58. How old is Gen Z now? So to solve this age problem, maglagay muna tayo ng age sa now. So isulat natin dito is dad, Gen Z, and then Zaimi. So we will start with Zaimi. Let Zaimi is equal to X. So Gen Z is twice as old as her sister Zaimi. So therefore, if Zaimi is X, Gen Z is 2X, twice as old. Gen Z's dad is 5 times as old as Gen Z. So therefore, we need to multiply Gen Z's age 2X by 5. So 5 times 2X, that is equal to 10X. Now, we have in 2 years. So in 2 years, meaning we will add 2 for their ages. So in 2 years, the expressions for their ages are 10x plus 2, 2x plus 2, and then x plus 2. So in 2 years, the sum of their ages will be 58. So therefore, if we add the 3 ages, the sum is 58. How old is Gen Z now? So just solve for x. So we have add these 3. So 10x plus 2x plus x is equal to 13x. We have 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is positive 6, equals 58. Solve for x, subtract 6 to both sides. So we have 13x is equal to 52. Divide both sides by 13. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 4. But remember, 4 is the age of Zaimi. We're looking for the age of Gen Z. So therefore, the age of Gen Z is 2 times 4, and that is equal to 8. So the correct answer is letter C. Follow for more.